Got me one. That's probably a bass. Fighting like a bass. Or a catfish. It's big, whatever it is. You got me hung up. You get me hung up in a rope. You got me hung up. That's what got me hung up in that rope and that thing out there. Probably broke it. Yep. Big old catfish probably. Big old catfish. Probably 5-pound catfish. Got hung up in I felt it rubbing the cable out there. And I was hoping it would have held on, but it didn't. God dog. Took her here trying to put my pole in the water. I caught it though. Probably catfish or turtle. Catfish. He almost had my pole, you guys. There we go, another catfish. They out there, you guys. There's probably about my 6 or 7 catfish. I think I got 3 or 4 in the bucket. Did he get me hung up? He got me hung up on something. God, see if he's still on there. It's a lot of stuff out here. Oh, he's still on there. There you go. He came loose. Dead weight. Catfish is dead weight. So you just let him do his thing there. And this is 4-pound test line, so I can't do too much with this. He'll make a few runs. There you go. There go run 1. There go run 1. There go run 2. It's gonna take them a while to give up. They don't just give up. So now if I had catfish pole, I'd horse this joker on in. 12-pound big game. Can't do anything with him with this 4-pound, brother. Ladies and gentlemen, or he'll break the line. I done had one broke. I missed a real big one over there by the spring. And I'm talking about a big one. Okay, here we go. Let me get down. The water's down about 4 or 5 feet, so they pretty too, man. These catfish are real healthy out here. Is he giving up yet? You give it up? I should have brought my net. Uh-oh. You gonna just try to get back in there, huh? You see an alien, huh? Let me keep it down. I can reach down there and grab him. I can reach down and grab him from here. I don't want to slide in that water. You better not There you go, guys. Boy, they strong. I didn't want to get my net. This over here kind of slippery, and that mud got on. I hope I didn't slide in that water. Here you go. You acting a fool. You acting a fool. He wasn't going nowhere. Had him double hooked. Okay, I don't think I can get any more in here. This is gonna be the last one of the day. All right, only kept 4 of those catfish. I caught about 10. So some decent size here. This is one of the, I think this is the biggest one. The biggest one of the day. That's the biggest one of the day. All of them, but this is a little smaller. About 3 pounds, and these about 2. But maybe a little bit bigger, actually. But I'm about to clean them. They were put in the poles today. Pulling them in. All right, YouTube, I wanted to show you guys how I fillet catfish. I normally don't keep catfish, but I'm gonna start keeping them now. Time is getting hard, you guys know that. Everything is so expensive, so I kept 4, and I already done filleted some, so you can see those are some of the fillets here. They look really good. I'll cut some of this bloodline out, and what I do is I set it in milk and just let it sit overnight and get some of that wild out. So this is how I fillet a catfish. This is probably about a 4 or 5 pound catfish. So this is how I fillet it. I find the rib cage. You can feel it. You can feel that rib cage right here. And what I do is I find that angle. Okay, first of all, before you guys start talking, because I read all the comments and stuff from the other followers and something on my page. I don't have a cleaning station outdoors. I don't have all that. I might get me one in the future. I clean mine right here. When I get through cleaning, I wipe everything down with Clorox. Every single thing is spick and span. So some of you guys be saying, you know, hey, your wife let you clean fish in the kitchen and all that kind of stuff. I'm not cleaning fish in 90 or 100 degree weather. Simple as that. So let's get back to the cleaning part. I just want to get that out before y'all start doing the comments. All right, so this is a rib cage. I go with a slant, right? I don't go up here because you're gonna cut into that rib cage and you're gonna cut into the guts. So I try to leave the guts and everything intact. So there we go. Now once I feel the bone, I turn. I hit the guts too while I'm making a video. So I turn and I just go down the rib cage. And you'll feel a catfish so tough that you'll feel the rib. There you go. And I didn't want to get all the guts out, but hey, you see it, and you see the blood too. But normally the guts and stuff is intact. I don't hit that. And what I do here, I just let that fall in. I get on the tail. It's getting kind of messy because I'm making a video, but hey. Go down. And I just pull up. So catfish is tough. And that's the fillet right there, you guys. So that's one fillet. I'm not gonna do the other side just because, you know, it's all the blood and stuff. But that's one nice catfish fillet. I'm gonna put it over here, and I'm gonna put milk in there, water, milk, dilute it, let it sit overnight. You get that wild out, that bloodline and all that stuff, and then I fillet it. So I just want to show you guys how to do catfish. I'm not gonna clean the other side because they got kind of messy. But thanks for watching, appreciate it. All right, YouTube. So what we decided to do is we're gonna go ahead and cook the catfish tonight. Fresh catfish, caught a couple hours ago. I put my little secret, what secret, but my recipe for cornmeal that I normally use. Hopefully it tastes good with this catfish. Got everything ready, got the grease going, and got the catfish fillet. I'll show you here. So I got the catfish cut up. I just cut them up in slices. Got my bread, cornmeal ready. As soon as the grease get warm, we're gonna, as soon as the grease get warm, I'm gonna fry them up real quick. And then I do a tasting to see how they taste. And this video, it wasn't much, I couldn't show you much content of catching a catfish. I caught about 10, GoPro, everything went wrong today, but tomorrow I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna have everything right. And I'm gonna make a better video for you guys. I'm gonna go for catfish again too. And I'll probably keep about 5 if they taste good tonight, which I think they will. But I'll probably, or they were biting night crawlers, you guys. I'll put like a whole night crawler on there, man, throwing out there and sitting with a bobber with my ultralight poles, and they were killing them poles, man, poor ultralight pole. But they gave them a test, all right, 4-pound test line. I got them out. The pond is real low. You guys gonna see tomorrow. Well, you're gonna see in this video. The pond is real low, but I was catching way out in the middle, and I think I had the slip bobber about 7 or 8 feet. And they were just down in it. I wish I'd have got the content, but tomorrow, hopefully if they do the same thing, you guys gonna see some real good catfish, a real good catfish video. Keep 5 of them. Hopefully I can get about 15 to 20 on video. So you guys, we'll see what happens. We're about to get the cooking going here. I think the grease is probably getting ready. I'll wait about 5 more minutes here and then we'll get it going. All right, so I got the first batch in. Catfish fillets, stripped, but man, that looks really good, you guys. I know that. I'm not a cook, but that looks really good. And I got a little bit more to go. And I can't wait to taste these. I think these are gonna taste really, really good. So we're gonna see what happens. In here, the twins, these are my little niece. My brother-in-law here, John. I think y'all might have saw him on one of my fishing videos. My sister-in-law is probably in the back. But they're eating, watching Moana, and they're actually Hawaiian. So they're Hawaiian. They love the Hawaiian culture. I'm gonna sit here for a little while, and about 30 minutes of cooking here, and we're gonna see what this tasting looks like. So hopefully they taste pretty good. We'll see. All right, YouTube, we got batch number 2 going. So that's the first batch. Got the second one going. I got a few more fillets to cook, and then we're gonna have a taste it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we coming to the end. We coming to the end here. Flip this over. Everything come out. That's done. Flip these over, and let it cook on the other side. And then we're gonna have a taste. And every one of them look good. Now I like my fish to be hard. I do. My wife and them like it to be kind of that soft taste, that light golden color. I like to be like that. All right, guys. So everything is done. Got the wife. Got her a couple slices in there when she get home. I got me a nurse, so y'all know the nurse work long hours. But everything is done, and we're about to do the tasting right now. Let me give you some water. Give me some water. All right. That Ozarka, that's that good stuff there. Let me get me some hot sauce. I like Louisiana hot sauce on my fish. Okay. All right. So we'll start off with this small piece here. So first I'm gonna do 2 tastes. I'm gonna taste it without the Louisiana hot sauce. See what it tastes like. Then I'm gonna taste it with the Louisiana hot sauce. All right. So here we go. Let's see. I haven't had a catfish in a long time. It's pretty good. This pretty good. It's pretty good. Now I'm used to eating crawfish and bluegill. Man, put a little hot sauce on that. Now one thing I could tell though, so normally in the country, we would put our fillets in milk. Let it bring that wild up. So I can tell it's fresh catfish. It is fresh catfish. Fresh out the water. You can tell that. But it's good as heck. You guys, as always, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'd like to hear you part of the family. Thank you for commenting, liking, and if you like to share the video. But tomorrow, stay tuned. I'm going to bring a better video with content of me actually catching catfish. But you guys have a great night. Stay blessed. Peace.